Welcome to our video. Today, we'll show you how to collect acceptance criteria with StoriesOnBoard AI. Let's jump into our food delivery app example and open the List Customer Reviews card. If you're in the editing mode, you can hit the space button to access the AI menu. Collecting acceptance criteria is a pre-made function, so the only thing you need to do is selecting it. As you can see, the AI collected multiple criteria into various criteria groups. If you prefer a different grouping or use your own structure, simply open the AI menu and select Templates. Here you can pick one of the pre-made templates or enter instructions to a different result. Let's go back to the card and see what's changing. There's one more thing that helps you to get a better result. While you're in preview state, you can ask AI to refine the result before adding it to the specification. For example, asking for more items. Once the content is added to the card, you can additionally improve it. You can put the cursor to a category and ask the AI to collect more items by hitting the space and entering your own instructions. In addition to extending a criteria group, you can also ask the AI for more groups. Go to the end of the list and open the AI menu with the space button. Then ask for more groups. Similarly to the previous case, in preview mode, you can pick one group and add it to the specification. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more content.